Improve your operations with Buildsafe 3D laser scanning services. We're excited to share a new technology that aims to solve many problems in the built environment. 3D laser scanning is becoming important across different industries because it focuses on efficiency and accuracy. This method captures detailed three-dimensional images and provides effective solutions to various challenges. 3D laser scanning is critical for modernizing practices, enabling organizations to identify inefficiencies and minimize costly errors. Buildsafe uses this technology to offer highly accurate data, enhancing project outcomes and unlocking new possibilities. Our advanced laser scanners effectively gather extensive data rapidly from a safe distance, helping to minimize exposure to hazards. While these activities do not involve work at height or in confined spaces, they lay a solid foundation for future tasks that may require such conditions. Importantly, our operations are designed to keep ongoing processes running smoothly, allowing us to maintain productivity while ensuring safety. Our 3D laser scanning services are applicable across all industries such as architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, shipping, and heritage conservation. They create detailed models for design and analysis. We document changes in structures, detect deformation, and identify conflicts between design plans and existing infrastructure. Are you in search of highly detailed and precise as-built drawings for your facility, such as a refinery, factory, flow station, oil rig, floating production storage and offloading FPSO units, power plant, tank farms, or high-rise building? We specialize in providing comprehensive documentation that reflects your facility's current state with exceptional accuracy. Do you need to update your facility's piping and instrumentation diagram (P&ID) to incorporate recent modifications and ensure compliance with industry standards? Our services can help you capture those changes effectively. Are you interested in monitoring your operational performance closely and implementing a robust preventive maintenance strategy to minimize downtime and enhance efficiency? Our solutions are designed to facilitate real-time performance tracking, enabling you to make informed decisions. Are you facing challenges with conflicting construction elements in a brownfield environment? We can help you navigate these complexities, ensuring that your projects proceed smoothly and without costly delays. Have you ordered equipment that does not fit within the specified space parameters? Our expertise can assist you in evaluating spatial requirements and overcoming clashes, thereby ensuring seamless project execution within the brownfield. Would you like to significantly reduce your travel expenses, particularly regarding expatriate travel? By utilizing advanced digital solutions, we can streamline your operations and optimize on-site management, leading to substantial cost savings. Are you seeking accurate metrics and storage volumes for critical materials like fertilizer, clinker, gypsum, and other bulk materials for thorough inventory management and auditing purposes? Our assessments will provide you with data that you can rely on. Do you envision creating a functional digital twin of your facility that can be leveraged for automation and operational efficiency? Our cutting-edge technologies can help you build a virtual model that mirrors your physical operations. Are you looking to elevate your health, safety, and environment HSE planning and management practices to new heights? Our targeted strategies can enhance your compliance and safety protocols, leading to a more secure working environment. Our services are designed to address a wide variety of applications and are tailored to your facility's unique requirements. We're here to help you maximize your operations potential. In summary, Buildsafe's 3D laser scanning services offer remarkable accuracy, efficiency, and safety, paving the way for successful projects. We invite you to reach out today and explore how our services can enhance your organization. Our dedicated team is excited to help you leverage the benefits of 3D laser scanning.